Hello guys, welcome in my video. Today I'm playing Craftsman, and these trees get white because of the snow. And this is my house with my farm. Now I'm in the snowy place, and I also found a spike ice. And I've joined one. I found more of them. And there's my house. And my farm. Right here. And this is my enchanting table in my living room, I think. In my bedroom. And how to enter in my house. Go to the farm. To the farm, to the fences. Hold the control here. Go to the door, and this is my house. And this is upstairs area. And this is my bedroom. And my enchanting table, and my crafting table, and my chests, and my bed. My favorite color is green, so I kept green carpet. And I got diamond enchanted armor. And I forgot to make my sword, so I'm gonna do that now. Enchant it up with my sword. Enchant my sword. There we go. Got my sword. And I also have a friend and not just joining me in my server. So I'm playing myself. This is my chair and my TV. I just make the TV. And oh, I forgot the channel. I need some painting. To make. Oh boy. There we go. I think fine. Really, did that hard work of my house. House is really hard to build, okay. Okay, now I need to paint it. Come on! Come on! Can I have a nice painting? Oh, I don't want that one. yeah, creeper with a sheep. Try and like this painting with a creeper. Yeah, really nice view, and I'm in my bedroom. Really nice view here. Nice view. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe. See you in the other video. Bye bye.